Alright guys, so this is the problem that I've been having with the RAV4 screen, and as you can see here, if you're trying to find your way back, or getting yourself out of a parking spot, it's all blurry because of how the sun, see that? I put my hand there, kind of covers up the sun, but it has had this problem for many years, and I keep telling or reporting it to Toyota, but they don't want to seem to do something like put maybe some kind of enclosure or whatever to make this so that you can actually see better. But luckily, now that I bought the Akaso, you can see how perfect it is up there with the camera in the back. This one does not suffer from the problem because, again, it's on this mirror here, and so it does not suffer from that sunlight coming from the window and hitting there. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Likey.